Breaking down iOS 18.5 Beta 2, 5 game-changing updates in 60 seconds. Number 5, Photos get smarter automatic curation plus on-device insights for your best shots. Before, albums felt cluttered, now the Photos app surfaces highlights and suggested edits instantly. Number 4, Control Center customization expands stackable widgets and resizable quick toggles. Compare the old fixed layout to a clean, modular control center you can tailor on the fly. Number 3, Messages add smoother edits, clearer edit history and scheduled messages for better timing. See Messages show an edit timeline and scheduled sends in a split screen before and after. Number 2, Notifications get grouped smarter with focus filters that mute what you don't need. Split screen shows noisy lock screen replaced by clean bundles and priority alerts only. Number 1, Safari refresh tab groups redesigned, shared highlights, and a tighter privacy report. Watch tabs move into a compact grid and privacy icons flag trackers in real time. That's the 5. iOS 18.5 Beta 2 polishes core apps in the UI, expect rollout notes and developer details soon.